Welcome to Musafir Yatra. Today we will explore something that all of us must have tried once in life. So watch till end and enjoy this tour. Here we are in the tea garden. Yes, we are in a tea garden and we will show you all how the tea is plucked and then these tea leaves from the fresh tea gardens are carried to the factory, and the whole process we will show you in this video, from plucking to packaging of tea. Yes, the tea which you enjoy, the Assam tea. Well, are you guys excited? I am. So as I have already told you, the first step in tea production is plucking, and I can see some ladies out there who are just plucking the tea leaves. So let's go and experience this wonderful tea production process of Assam. So guys, here I am inside this tea garden, and as you can see, these tea garden workers are working hard plucking tea leaves for the tea production. Let's interact with them some. Namaskar Baido.
Namaskar.
Kiman der pa apuni singi ase pat?
8টা বজাৰ পৰা
8টা বজাৰ পৰা পাত singi ase. Aru ratipa kiman mane hunkale ahe apnaloke?
8টা বজাত আহো যাও
Aru godhuli mane সন্ধিয়া লৈকে কৰি থাকে বাপৰে আমি দেখিছো বাৰু বহুত ৰ'দ দি আছে আপোনালোকে ৰ'দ বৰষুণ প্ৰতিটো বতৰতে আহে নে আচ্ছা
আমি এদিন পাত নিছিংগেলে মানুহ ঘৰত চায়ে নমনে হাই হাই টুকুৰিটো লৈ চাচোন
বাইদেউ পাত আপোনালোকে কোনটো পাত সিঙেনো মানে যেতিয়া চাহৰ কাৰণে পাত সিঙে কোনটো পাত সিঙিব লাগে
দেখাই দে পাত তিনি কলি আছে
এটো ন এটো হৈছে নাই হৈছে They burn their skin under the sun to relax us with a refreshing sip from the cup. The tea garden workers, their dedication is an incredible contribution in making the Assam tea a favorite drink across the world. Come, let's go to the factory now. Today in this tour, two people associated with tea garden will accompany us in understanding the tea processing. So, we have reached the tea factory. So for the very first time, I am also here experiencing this tea processing. So once the tea leaves are plucked, they are carried to this area where the moisture level of the tea leaves is maintained. This whole area is dedicated with mechanical as well as manual processes, and the process of weathering is done here in this area. Come. The very first step, that is the initial step, is called weathering, done for approximately 16 hours, where the moisture from the leaves is maintained. An appropriate amount of moisture is required to be present in the leaves, neither more nor less. Then the leaves are spread evenly on the bed chambers where cold air flow is supplied, both in forward and backward motion. After weathering is done, the leaves are then carried in bags through monorails, as you can see on the top. Yes, earlier this was done manually, but as technology is evolving, nowadays monorails are used to carry leaves loaded in bags for the next step. After the weathering is done, the leaves are placed in rotor for cutting into several phases. Then automatically they are placed inside a hogi, the cylindrical rotating machine you can see, to dry them up, and the leaves acquire a powdered texture. Yes, once the leaf attain the desired moisture, now they are cut, and then to attain a powdered texture, they are rotated inside a hogi. Next is the step of fermentation, the sophisticated and a very crucial step in the whole processing of tea leaves. The facility of fermentation room is well maintained. Shoes and slippers are not allowed inside the facility, even for its workers, to avoid any kind of contamination and dust. The fermentation is based on dry and wet temperature. and to maintain the temperature, there are humidification systems installed that automatically adjust and maintain the temperature by a difference of 2 degrees according to room temperature. After that, the tea leaves are transferred to the dryer. The process of drying is achieved inside these large dryer equipment. 2 types of dryers are used. First is the quality dryer and the second one is the Kilburn dryer. In these dryers, the inlet temperature, that is inside the dryer, is almost 200 degrees Fahrenheit and the exhaust temperature is almost 138 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the tea leaves are dispensed from the dryer, they are passed through sieves to retain any wet particle if present. The monorail you can see above is the eye-catching thing moving all around the factory in inner and outer ring. It is so interesting. Now is the sorting. It is done inside a grading system. Also, the fibers from the dried tea leaf particles are removed and separated. The grading system is again a very interesting one, and different grades of tea are dispensed from it separately at the same time. And viewers, trust me, the difference of size particles is clearly visible. Then the tea is stored in bins and the final packaging is done. It is so neat and well maintained, and also the amazing fact is the factory personnel themselves perform an in-house testing of the tea quality of all grades before the supply. They perform weight checks as well as other necessary checks are done as per their protocol. Well, here we go. The tea is finally in its destination. Yes, the cup. And here we enjoy this tea. We hope you enjoyed this informatory and exciting virtual tour. And of course, for more such episodes, do like, share, subscribe and also comment. Suggest Musafir Yatra to your friends and family. See you in the next episode.